Hi, this is Lisiane from FrenchCompass.com. Welcome back to my series, Interactive French Practice, session number 3. In this session, we will review possessive determiners, like my, your, his, and so on, simple questions, and negative statements. So let's get started. Exercise number 1. Remember to translate the sentence into French. Sentence number 1. Is it your car? Is it your car? Answer. Est-ce que c'est ta voiture? Est-ce que c'est ta voiture? Sentence number 2. Is it your seat? Is it your seat? Answer. Est-ce que c'est votre siège? Est-ce que c'est votre siège? You could also ask, est-ce que c'est votre place? Sentence number 3. Is it our turn? Is it our turn? Answer. Est-ce que c'est notre tour? Est-ce que c'est notre tour? You could also ask, est-ce que c'est à nous? Est-ce que c'est à nous? Sentence number 4. Is it his friend? Is it his friend? Female friend. Answer. Est-ce que c'est son ami? Est-ce que c'est son ami? Exercise number 2. Sentence number 1. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? Answer. Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? Sentence number 2. What is your problem? What is your problem? Answer. Quel est son problème? Quel est son problème? Sentence number 3. What is your question? What is your question? Answer. Quelle est votre question? Quelle est votre question? Sentence number 4. What are his instructions? What are his instructions? Answer. Quelles sont ses instructions? Quelles sont ses instructions? Okay, last exercise. Exercise number 3. Sentence number 1. That's not your problem. That's not your problem. Answer. Ce n'est pas ton problème. Ce n'est pas ton problème. Sentence number 2. That's not your seat. That's not your seat. Answer. Ce n'est pas votre siège. Ce n'est pas votre siège. Or, of course, ce n'est pas votre place. Ce n'est pas votre place. Sentence number 3. These aren't his instructions. these aren't his instructions. Answer. Ce ne sont pas ses instructions. Ce ne sont pas ses instructions. Note how I have to make a liaison between ses and instruction. Ses instructions. Ses instructions. Ce ne sont pas ses instructions. And the last sentence, sentence number 4. That's not my question. That's not my question. Answer. Ce n'est pas ma question. Ce n'est pas ma question. Okay, I hope this was helpful. You can download the PDF of this exercise at www.thefrenchcompass.com/interactivefrench. Thank you so much for taking part. I wish you a really nice day and see you next time. Bye!